Yeah.
recoil.
Yeah.
It's just like
Yeah.
the whole barrel.
I couldn't sight. I couldn't see it.
Oh, really? See what?
Like down the. I put my head down to push my ears off, so I was trying to like find a spot where I could see, but still have this.
Tore that down.
Oh, this is so much fun.
I do want to try it 45.
The kick on that is so crazy. 45. Oh, the 45.
You ripped that.
I murdered that zombie. 45. Thank you.
Then you're going to change.
Yeah. You did another round through the shotgun? 5 rounds. How much? $10. Oh, good. Yeah, I gotta do more. Yeah, you gotta do more of that. Yeah, let me do a box. Okay, so you have to keep it. Oh, this is so much fun. This is what I want to do. Yeah.
Press on.
Then,
you ready?
It's like, it's
Flip it down. Yeah, safe. Flip it down.
So, yeah, that's actually it. You have to press every single time? No, just one time. 45. Did you already pressed it or what? Yeah, no. Woo!
What's that? It's actually at the back of the ring.
Okay. That's an excellent question.
It's like it's an absorbent.
Absorbent?
Newspaper. It's in a, it's not. I think it's. Anyway, it's not going to be plywood or anything like that.
No.
But the way that it's like, it absorbs like it deflects everything like this.
The shotgun does shoot low.
Yeah, I'm gonna have
Shoots
to.
a bit low. Shoots a bit low.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
That's a dead zombie.
Yeah, yours came up.
I gotta get some more out.
And that, the thing is there was a couple that didn't really spray up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking at this weird, but
You see the dot?
I can see the dot, but I can't see the.
Target. Try to move around.
Yeah, $25.
Well, see the dot is what? When I look at the target, the dot's
90 plus
way up above the.
$90.
Oh, yeah, there we go. Monsters. Yeah, the active. See, I think that 90.